Welcome to Auto's Time. It's Auto's Time. Today we're stepping into the world of a true icon, a legend born on the racetrack and built for the road. A car that defined an entire generation of driving enthusiasts, the BMW M3 E30. This isn't just another classic. The E30 M3 is the car that started it all for BMW's M3 lineup, and even today it continues to be one of the most respected and sought-after performance cars ever built. From its boxy yet aggressive design to its razor-sharp handling, the E30 M3 was crafted with a singular goal: to dominate motorsport and deliver driving joy. The story begins in the mid-1980s. BMW needed a homologation car to compete in Group A touring car racing. Instead of modifying an existing 3 Series, BMW Motorsport went all in and built something new from the ground up. The result? A lightweight, wide-fendered, high-revving machine that would go on to become a motorsport legend and a street icon. Let's talk design. The E30 M3 is instantly recognizable thanks to its flared wheel arches, boxy silhouette, and aggressive stance. It's not flashy and it's functional. Everything on the body was shaped for performance. Wider track, a high rear, spoiler, and that signature dogleg side mirror setup. It looks like it's ready to race, because it was. Under the hood, the original M3 came with the S14 engine, a 2.3-liter naturally aspirated inline-4 that made around 192 horsepower in road trim and more than 300 horsepower in race spec. That may not sound like a lot today, but with a lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive, and a slick 5-speed manual, the E30 M3 delivered a raw and connected driving experience. It's the kind of car that makes you feel like you're part of the machine. Inside, the E30 M3 was all business. The cabin was focused, functional, and driver-centric. A classic 3-spoke M steering wheel, analog gauges, and supportive sport seats made it clear this was a car made for driving, not lounging. It wasn't overloaded with features, and that was the point. Every detail existed to serve the road or the racetrack. But what truly sets the E30 M3 apart is how it drives. The steering is direct, the chassis feels alive, and the car responds to your every input with precision. It doesn't rely on computers or drive modes. It relies on balance, lightweight engineering, and pure mechanical feedback. On a twisty road or a racetrack, the E30 M3 feels like an extension of your own body. The racing pedigree of the E30 M3 speaks for itself. It became the most successful touring car in history, winning countless races across Europe and beyond. From DTM to BTCC, this car crushed the competition, and every bit of that performance DNA made its way into the road car. Even today, the E30 M3 is celebrated by collectors and driving purists around the world. Prices have skyrocketed, and finding a clean, original example is like striking gold. But those who own one don't just keep them in garages. They drive them, they race them, and they keep the legend alive. The E30 M3 is more than just a car. It's a symbol of what happens when engineering, passion, and racing spirit come together. It's not about speed alone. It's about connection, feedback, and that feeling of being truly in control. Thanks for riding with us today on Car AutoZone. If you love legendary machines like the E30 M3, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Have you ever seen one of these legends in the wild? Would you take it for a spin or keep it locked away? Either way, remember, it's always Auto's time.